Today I'm going to share with you a strategy that I have never talked about before. Not only it can make you a lot of money, but also in passive income. You can set it up once and then sit back and enjoy your profits. All you need to do is to copy and paste some tags and then collect your money. It is available all around the world and also absolutely free. You just need to follow every instruction till the end of this video so you can make it work properly. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden Emia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever I post a new strategy like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing that you need to do is to come over to this website called Quora, and this is over at Quora.com. Quora is a community-based website where people gather to ask and answer different questions related to different topics. And all you need to do is to create an account for absolutely free and then log in just like I did. And today we are not going to ask or to answer other people's question. We are going to do something else, which is going to be to go over to Spaces up here, then click on it, and then we need to create a space. And spaces are basically like Facebook groups, as you can see right here, the examples. All you need to do is to click on create a space, and then what you'll name the space about is going to be related to the niche that you need to focus. And I recommend you focus on a niche that is very popular. It can be online business, finance, weight loss niche, fitness niche, and so on. And for the sake of this tutorial, today I'm going to go with a weight loss niche, so I'm going to write here weight loss. Then you just need to click here on create. All you need to do from here is to ask a question about this particular niche. So we're going to ask a question ourselves, and it's going to be like how to lose weight and something similar to that. And then we are going to answer our own question, how you can make money with it. And it may sound like little bit confusing right now, but I'm going to explain it to you in a minute, so just stay tuned for that, because you're going to understand why we are doing this and how we're going to make money by asking and answering to our own question. Right now we need to find an answer to our own question, which is going to be like how to lose weight. And in order to find a particular answer to that, we're going to this website called plr.com. In this website you can find free PLR articles, and they can be for different categories. As you can see, you have all of these categories in the right hand side. PLR stands for private labor rights, and it means that you can download this PLR for absolutely free, and you can post them once again, and you're not going to face any copyright issues. So the article that you're going to find is going to be related to the niche that you chose before in order to create your group and the question that you're going to ask. So in my case, I'm going with the weight loss niche, so I'm going to find some articles related to weight loss. So I'm just going to click down here, and after that I just need to find an article about how to lose weight so I can answer to my question over at Quora. And after you find it, all you need to do is to copy it, and after that all you need to do is to write that question right here, and you're going to write, as I said before, something like how to lose weight. Is going to be dependent on what you are going to name your group after. I'm going to click on post, and then I'm just going to reply to my own question. I'm just going to write a comment down here, and I'm going to paste that article. But as you know, this article cannot make us money, so all you need to do right now is to go to the website that is going to pay us today, and it's going to help us in making money in passive income. So all you need to do is to go over to digistore24.com. This is an affiliate marketplace where you can find a lot of products to promote. As you can see, you have a lot of categories right here, a lot of digital products that you can find and promote. But our product today is going to be related, of course, to our article and to our niche that we chose before. So we're going to find a product related to weight loss. All you need to do is to write weight loss in the search bar here, and it's going to give you a lot of products related to this niche. You need to find one that is going to pay you with high commissions, but also that's going to make you a lot of money. You have all the prices here, as you can see. So after you find something that you like, that you want to promote, you just need to click on the promote now button, and it's going to give you your affiliate link, which you need to copy. And after that, all you need to do is to go over to this website called bitly.com. We're going to use Bitly even if this is an optional step. I wanted to mention it because if you share your affiliate link like this, it's going to be obvious that you are promoting something and people will know that, and you're not going to get a lot of clicks and a lot of purchases. That's why we're going to paste it and shorten it here on bitly.com. So just paste it in the shorten your link box here, and after that click on shorten. And it's going to give you your shorten Bitly link, which you need to copy here. And after that, you're going to go over here at Quora, and on that article that you're going to paste on here, you also need to include your affiliate link. So you're going to write something like right here, like this is the best product or the best way to lose weight, and you're going to paste your link right here. So it's going to be a very easy strategy, and it's going to help you to get a lot of clicks and also a lot of purchases, so you can make money in passive income. And you're going to make money in passive income because people are going to see your space, are going to see your question and also your answer in it whenever they type something like how to lose weight and so on. And the weight loss niche is very popular, actually, that's why I chose that. So if you go over to similarweb.com, you're going to see that Quora is being visited by over 500 million of people on a monthly basis, as you can see. So there is a lot of potential on Quora, and you can get a lot of interested people, targeted people that are going to click on your Bitly link, and they are going to make you a lot of money. And you can just set it up once, and then you can sit back and just enjoy your profit. You can collect your profit even after some years, or if the others, you can collect your profits even after some months or years, because your post, your space here on Quora is going to stay forever, and people can see it and click on your link even after some time. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you like this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden Emia's World, with notifications on, and you're going to get notified whenever I'm going to upload a similar strategy like this one about how to make money online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.